Guys, what is going on? Mike Cesaroni here, back with another video. And my last video was taken down due to copyright infringement. I was playing that the clip from Billions when Axe was handing over crypto to one of his, somebody he was doing a deal with. So it was taken down. I'm still learning this YouTube thing, and it will take some time to grow. But I hope you all had a great weekend. And let's just jump right into the price of BTC. So what I'm seeing right now is kind of a...
Stayed up late on,
It's kind of a... Sorry, that was the Discord I'm in. Go check out Bit More Crypto on Discord, ran by Vin Ferretti. It's an amazing channel, and I highly suggest anybody new into crypto that wants to learn, go into this channel and just, just come hang out with us. And it's a great time, and you definitely learn a lot. I sure did. So let's get back into the price. Like I was saying, I am kind of turning a little bearish right now, guys. It's not looking good for the long term. I had a price target of 9,000 that just kept getting rejected by EMAs and resistances, and there's only so many times you can, you can try to break through a resistance before you come back down to a support, and it is what it is. So if we do break out of this bull flag, this bear flag, that's very, very apparent on the 4-hour chart. I think a break out of this channel would most likely bust right through this 8,300 support and just kind of head down to that 7,900 area. So, not a sure thing. Nothing is ever a sure thing in crypto. That is rule number one, and that's what I think of BTC right now. Again, I'm going to make this video very quick. I want to show you guys an apparent play for TRX right now. I did go live last week on, I think it was DTube, and on my Twitter as well, and I said that this play off the 200 EMA was a very, very healthy and positive trade to make for some gains, and I hope you all, or some of you, got into that and made some profits. But what's happening now with TRX is it's causing a very apparent bull flag right now that is just looking very good to me. This last 4-hour candle here, we tried to break out of this bull flag, but the bulls just kind of brought the price right back up, and we started trading in this channel. And we're seeing a lot of price action happen with it right now. So what I'm doing now in this situation is, I have my alert set. I laddered my way into a small position, preparing for a breakout. And if we do in fact close above this resistance, that could be a strong sign of a possible play on TRX. But again, guys, BTC is the big dog, is the head honcho, and if that price decides to drop, $400 as it's known to do, TRX, this play would simply just be off the table, and it would probably invalidate this chart completely. So that is something to continue to watch. Yeah, it just looks really good to me. It's something that I'm going to play, and I'm going to be very cautious with, because like I said, the price of BTC kind of weighs on that chart. You guys are watching Consensus at all? I have not been doing any trading this weekend. I've had a very busy weekend. Yesterday, I tried to put out some content that was just terrible, and I was copyright infringed. My last video was taken down. We got some new software we were trying to use, and everything was just a shit show yesterday. So we kind of just gave up. The videos weren't uploading for some reason, and I think I got the problem resolved, and we will continue going from here. But that's about it, guys. I mean, IOTA was another coin that I was looking at today for a breakout. We saw a little wedge pennant here forming and a breakout on the 4-hour. I was not at my desk when this happened, but I did definitely take a look at it once I did see that it was in the green. And so right now we're kind of bouncing off this 55 EMA. And again, BTC, let's see, I think it was the last 4-hour candle. Yeah, so the last 4-hour candle took that dump. So obviously it's going to drag the price of other altcoins down with it. So that is what happened here. You know, we were on a pretty good rally. We had an apparent breakout, but that price of BTC drove the price down and completely denied it. So it could still be a possible play. You know, I wouldn't take it off the table, but it is going to be pretty much on BTC's shoulders on what happens with that going forward. ZRX in the green, falling below resistance. Falling below these EMAs here. I don't know why these positions are open. Guys, paper trading, crypto on TradingView now, you can do it with every coin, which is really cool because it kind of gives you a dollar cost value of your positions that you're entering. You know, I know with me anyway, when I'm trading on Binance, I kind of like to see what my dollar profit is. You know, of course, I like to see my BTC value go up as well, but it is cool to have that option on TradingView to enter position the same time you enter position in Binance to kind of see the dollar amount that you're making. Makes it a little bit, you know, just makes it easier for me, at least. Not easier, but we're seeing a rounding hook bottom here too. A nice rounding bottom. I mean, this is a bullish sign for ZRX. Again, obviously, we had to see some type of correction after a coin like that went on a run for days. I mean, I think 3 days in a row this coin was up, you know, and it was just looking healthy for a while. You know, you got to see some type of correction in order to continue that movement. But that is something that I am definitely watching today as well. And that nice rounded bottom looks pretty bullish. So that's about it, guys. I'm going to make this video very short. Again, like I said last night, I don't know if you guys did see the video before it was taken down, but that partnership with ICX and Samsung is definitely 100% valid, and that is going to, you know, that is probably what this price action was all about. I think the news came out right about here, saw this huge breakout, and now it's kind of trading within this channel. Had a little breakout, but again, price of BTC, guys, is going to affect these coins and it's in their prices. So if BTC drops $500 like it's known to out of nowhere, you know, that will invalidate a lot of these plays that I'm looking at for the day. ONT, let's just look at the green. Let's look at the green, man. ONT, I mean, looks like a little wedge here. Nah. I mean, you know, you could call that. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it was a breakout, but it got drove right back down. Did touch support, you know, old resistance turns into new support. So, yeah, I can. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Let's see, Elf. Elf, we made a beautiful play on Elf the other day. This was it right here. No, that was not it. Sorry, 4 hour. This was it right here. But that's about it, guys. Thank you, everybody, for coming in. Again, I apologize for the technical difficulties yesterday. It was a complete shit show, and we will try to definitely not let that happen again. But keep your eye on that price of BTC. My bullish count is kind of turning bearish at this point. We're seeing a lot of rejection at these resistances, and it's just, it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's just hope we can continue trading within this channel before a drop. That's all I have to say. If we can rally out of this, you know, out of this bearish situation right now, we're forming higher lows, which is concerning, and it's just, guys, overall, man, it's just looking bearish to me now, and you know, that's what you got to do. You have to, you can't always be looking at things in a positive manner, especially if that is not the case and that is not what the charts are telling you. You have to trade by how the charts are trading and how the charts are looking. So, you know, that's it. So just, guys, keep your eye on TRX. It looks very healthy right now. It looks like a very bullish situation. Again, the last 4 hour candles, the bears tried pushing this down. You know, we had some sell-off, but you know, a rally up right back into this pattern occurred, and I would just look for a, you know, set your alerts and hope that TRX doesn't, you know, drop $400 or $500. That's all you can do. But thank you guys. I noticed there's a couple of guys in here. Look at that candle on Storm. So Storm, guys, I've been saying it for the last couple of days, and I probably brought it up in every single live stream, that Storm is just a long-term hold for me. It's a project that has use case value. It's backed by a lot of big money investors, and you know, you can't go wrong with a coin like that. And it is pumping right now. I mean, you know, we could have seen this. So this is a perfect example about what's going on with TRX. Let's compare this right now. Ready? So look at this. This is a bull flag, okay? This is a very apparent bull flag. And I'm not trading this right now. Otherwise, I'd be all over this. But I like I said, I have long-term positions in. Let's change these to green, because we seeing some green. We want to see some green. When we red, I'll go red, but this is green. So very, very apparent bull flag. And look at that breakout. Now, is that going to happen with TRX? Probably not. But, you know, same type of situation, guys. Same type of pattern. You know? Boom. I mean, I wish I could put them side by side, but I'd probably mess something up because I'm not too savvy with this yet. But, you know, look at that. Boom, boom. So that's what I'm talking about with TRX. And, you know, keep your eyes on it. And Storm, keep doing your thing. I mean, look at that. That just busted through all resistance and just said, I am going to, I mean, look at the size of that candle. So it might have something to do with consensus. They might be on stage right now. They might have just dropped some big news. Let's take a look. Let's see if they dropped anything. Nothing that I'm seeing really that's jumping out at me, but what do you guys think? There's a couple of people, couple of guys in here. You guys have any questions? Guys, go check out my Twitter at Cesaroni Michael, Cesaroni Michael. Go check out my Steemit. My Steemit is Mike Ces, Mikeces. I did post a blog yesterday about the Pied Piper coin. I thought that was hilarious, and I'm loving seeing that, you know, I'm just loving that blockchain is becoming more widespread to the public and is now on, you know, major network television shows on HBO and Showtime and stuff like that. But all right, I'm gonna go off on a tangent if I keep going here, so I'm gonna let you guys go. And I appreciate all you guys who are watching and all of you guys who put up with the awful content that was tried to get put out yesterday. But it is what it is. We're going to continue to try to grow this channel. My goal is not to become a YouTuber. I am simply doing this to jump into a community that I believe in, and you know, that's it. Just get my name out there a little bit and just have fun with it. That's the goal here. So you guys have a great day. If you have any questions at all, please hit me up on Twitter, message. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. I will probably be going live tonight at some point, and I will let you all know. Thank you.